Hi, my name is Jack, and today we will talk about
Antitheft remote starters.
If you liked some of the products here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
If you lost or broke your car's keyless remote, don't pay a fortune at the dealership for a new one. Dorman has compatible replacements for millions of vehicles, and most can be programmed by anyone in minutes without any tools. Replacing broken or lost key fobs is more than a petty annoyance. Waiting at the dealership can be expensive and time-consuming. With our keyless entry solutions, there's no reason to waste time waiting at the car dealership or paying more than $100 just to get a key fob reprogrammed. Do it yourself and get back on the road. For many vehicles, programming is as simple as following a sequence of button presses. For others, Dorman includes a free, patented programmer. Just plug it in and follow the instruction sequence. Simply enter your vehicle information, find your new Dorman keyless remote, and program it lickety-split. Each Dorman remote is carefully designed to match original appearance and function, with quality construction backed by a limited lifetime warranty. So when you need a new key fob, rely on Dorman so you can program it in minutes and rely on it for years. Fortune at the dealers for millions of vehicles, and most can be programmed by anyone in minutes without any tools. Consume. With our keyless entry solutions, there's no reason to waste time waiting on the road. For many vehicles, programming is as simple as following a sequence of patented programmer. Just plug it in and follow the instruction sequence. New Dorman keyless remote and program it lickety-split. Function, with quality construction backed by a limited lifetime warranty. So when you need it for years.
Lost your keys? Again? Gosh. Don't spend all your time and money replacing your keys at the dealership. Replace your lost or broken remote car key quickly and easily with Keyless to Go. Easy to program on your own with straightforward directions and instructional videos available for many vehicles. We have remotes for most of the vehicles on the road today. Each car key replacement comes complete with batteries and has been pre-tested to ensure quality and functionality. Don't waste your time and money with anyone else. Keyless to Go is your go-to replacement for car keys and remotes.